Imagine a world where enterprise software bends exactly to the user's will, effortlessly. For years, automation has been rigid. Fixed paths, predetermined steps, a flowchart that forces the creator to think like a machine. But innovation doesn't happen in a straight line. Innovation requires freedom. It requires intelligence that adapts instantly to the shape of the problem. Enter a completely new paradigm in orchestration, the end of static pipelines, the beginning of dynamic, autonomous workflows. When a prompt is submitted, it is no longer just running a script. It is awakening a master orchestrator. The system mathematically analyzes the raw intent, and within milliseconds it breathes life into a custom, multi-agent architecture. It spins up specialized capabilities research, programming, securing data precisely matched to the exact moment, all in real time. To understand the profound empowerment this brings, consider a highly complex business requirement. Consider submitting the following prompt. Build a Python script based on a specific business model. First, use internet search tools to gather documentation and best practices on implementing a consumption-based, tiered pricing model. Next, write a Python program that calculates a user's monthly bill based on those pricing tiers and simulated API usage events. Finally, present the fully working code and save the code to the workspace as tiered teacher pricing. This is a request that spans 3 distinct worlds: open-ended research, rigorous software engineering, and secure infrastructure. The orchestrator receives the intent and dynamically generates a 3-phase strategy. Phase 1. Autonomous research. A specialized agent is instantly deployed to the open web. It doesn't rely on static, outdated training data. It searches live developer hubs and industry documentation. It aggregates the most current real-world data to definitively understand how modern software platforms structure utility billing. It learns exactly what is needed for success. Phase 2. Program creation. The gathered intelligence flows seamlessly to an expert coding agent. This is where the magic happens. It doesn't just generate a snippet of code. It architects a complete production-ready Python application. It writes the infrastructure to simulate raw API events. It formulates the exact fractional mathematics required for dynamic pricing thresholds. It handles the edge cases, the complexities, the exact nuances required by the business model. Phase 3. Delivery and persistence. The orchestrator instantiates a delivery agent to finalize the vision. The logic is validated. The fully operational code is elegantly presented for review, and then, seamlessly crossing the secure perimeter, the finalized asset is actively saved directly to the local enterprise environment, exactly as requested. Tiered pricing. Look at the magnitude of this outcome. A high-level strategic concept, articulated in simple human language, transformed entirely into a fully deployed, completely validated software asset, safely residing within the secure environment. No templates, no manual hand-holding, no friction. This is the power of true dynamic orchestration, the ability to dramatically accelerate development, the ability to execute complex, multifaceted tasks flawlessly. It allows teams to stop fighting with rigid systems and start focusing on what truly matters.